In this video, I will show you how to play workshop maps in CS2. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, we're here and we've got CS2 loaded. Now the first thing you're going to want to do from here is come up to the settings in the top left hand corner. So that's this gear icon up here, and what you're going to want to do is press onto game. And from here, the first thing you're going to want to do underneath game, if you look towards the bottom, there's an option which says install Counter-Strike workshop tools. So what you want to do is make sure first this is changed to yes, to enable us to install maps from the workshop. Now at the moment, to go ahead and do this, what you're going to need to do is actually manually add the maps. So the best way to do this is if you come back to your Steam dashboard, and what you want to do is right click onto Counter-Strike 2 when you're in your library, and then scroll down and press onto properties. Now what you want to do on this screen is come over to the left hand side, and in this menu you want to click onto installed files. And at the top you can see where it says size of installation. If you look to the right, there's a little browse button. What you want to do is press onto the browse button to be taken to the game folder. From here, go ahead and double click onto the game folder, and what you want to do from here is double click onto CSGO, then double click onto maps, and once you've gone ahead and downloaded your workshop map, you're going to want to go ahead and transfer this into this folder. So once that's done, what you're going to want to do is come back into CS2, and you want to come back to the settings menu up in the top left hand corner, and underneath game you now want to enable the developer console, which is this one here. So you want to make sure this is turned to yes. So to go ahead and actually open up the developer console, what you're going to want to do on your keyboard, if you look for the escape key up in the top left hand corner on your keyboard, you want to press the key underneath, which normally has a picture of like an apostrophe or a squiggly line. So as you can see, this has now opened the developer console. Now what you're going to want to do from here is go ahead and type the following command, which is map, then put a space, and then you just want to put CS and then choose your map. So for example, you can see the preset maps here. So you've got like Italy, Vanity, and Abyss, and what you want to do is basically put the name of the map and then press enter to load that into CS2. So once that's done, what it's going to do is basically reload CS2, and once CS2 has reloaded, you'll now be able to go ahead and play the workshop map. So that's how you can go ahead and play workshop maps on CS2. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.